AI changed the game in marketing, in content, and especially in copywriting. Now, everyone's using AI, but most AI copy sounds the same: generic, robotic, forgettable. The real question isn't should I use AI? It's how do I write AI copy that doesn't suck? Copy that doesn't sound like a robot quoting a marketing textbook. That's where AI Copywriting 2.0 comes in. It's a hands-on, no-fluff course built to help you write human-differentiated AI copy, the kind that actually connects. You'll walk through a complete system, from research to writing to editing, using smart prompts at every step. You'll learn how to extract sharp benefits from vague inputs, how to write with clarity and rhythm, how to tailor copy across platforms, and sound like you, not a machine. You'll master the art of editing with prompts, fixing tone, flow, and originality without rewriting everything by hand. By the end, you won't just generate copy, you'll know how to shape it into something that feels alive. This course isn't about theory. It's practical, fast, and tactical. Made for marketers, founders, freelancers, and teams who want results, not guesswork. One system, prompts that work, copy that converts. Too many writers rely on vague prompts. Or worse, they copy-paste whatever AI gives them. AI Copywriting 2.0 teaches you to lead the process, not just react to it. Because the power's not in the AI. It's in your perspective and how you guide it. Write copy that works. With AI, that sounds like you. Enroll in AI Copywriting 2.0 today and take control of your content.